Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I want to get a few things updated here going into the weekend, although I don't know if update's quite the right word, maybe more so confirmation. The main point of confirmation certainly being this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but in regards to that red line there at 005, which I've talked about before as a level of resistance, and you can see on a couple of different instances today, that did act as resistance there, and then once again acting as resistance right there. Now the good news is that the price is essentially right at that level, technically speaking slightly up above it, but remember, in order to accomplish a true break, you need to not only get up above the level but also stay up above it. Case in point, right there, yeah, sure, the price broke above it, couldn't stay above it, fell back below it. Right there, broke up above it, couldn't stay above it, fell back below it. Now, maybe this is finally the start of a true break. The point is, though, that the bulls have to prove themselves next week. And what do I mean by quote-unquote prove themselves? Well, like I said, not only getting up above 005, which so far so good, the price is above it, but now let's see if the price can stay up above it. So I'm still going to consider 005 a resistance for the time being. If this is the start of something bigger, then the next key level of resistance to watch is going to be the famous 50-period simple moving average, which is that purple line up there. So keep an eye on those couple levels from the resistance standpoint. Support-wise, yeah, you still have the level down here at 003, but as I talk and glance, there's certainly, an update would be a proper term for this. But yeah, the bulls are starting to kind of quietly work their way back upwards. What do I mean by quietly? Well, it's not like the price has exploded upwards, but they are slowly and methodically trending back upwards, building some higher bases, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see, higher bases, and as long as higher bases occur, given enough time, then everything else does take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So, at the core, really the most important thing, more than anything else, is just keep on doing what it's been doing. It's been chipping away, building higher lows, and as long as that's the case, like I said, everything else does eventually take care of itself. So nice close to the week. We'll see how this one all plays out next week. Friendly reminder, the markets are closed on Monday, so Tuesday will be the next time it trades. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.